Today's objective is that you are going to perform operations on radical expressions. Operations, of course, would mean add, subtract, multiply, divide. And you notice this is just part one of the video. What we're going to be working on today is just adding and subtracting, which are the same type of operation, which is what you see here. So, first example, 2 root 7 plus 11 root 7. This is exactly like adding something like 2x plus 11x. These are like terms because they have the same radical that you're adding. If this had 2 root 7 plus 11 root 8, we could not add these together, or let me restate that, we could not simplify them. You can always put a plus and add things together. And the way this works is you just combine the coefficients. So 2 root 7 plus 11 root 7 is 2 plus 11 times root 7. 2 plus 11 is 13, so this is 13 root 7. Now if you're looking at this and you're saying, I don't think I needed that middle step, I can just look at that and obviously 2 root 7s plus 11 root 7s is 13 root 7s, that's fine. This middle step is optional. I'm just showing it because it's the official way to do this. The next example is similar. We've got 2 plus 8 root 11 plus 10 minus 1 root 11, so it doesn't say 1 right there, but that's what the coefficient would be. And when we add these together, you can just kind of see where the like terms are. We've got a 2 and a 10. Those are rational whole numbers that we can add together. And then we have 8 root 11s plus negative 1 root 11s. So those are like terms that we're going to add together. This should not feel like something new to you because you're probably good at this from Algebra 1. So when we combine these, 2 plus 10, it gives us 12. And then 8 root 11 minus 1 root 11 is positive 7 root 11. So I'm going to write plus 7 square root 11. You notice I've already not written that middle step here. Again, you can if you want, but you don't have to. We cannot simplify this any further because 12 and 7 root 11 are essentially not like terms. So we can put a plus there, but we can't simplify. The last example is a subtraction. Now you probably remember this from Algebra 1. In order to deal with this, you're going to want to distribute that subtract first to everything in the second set of parentheses. And then I'm going to rewrite this. After I do that, first set of parentheses still say 9 plus 3 square root of 6. And then now we have plus negative 2 is positive 2. And then negative, when distributed to the positive 8 root 6, is minus 8 root 6. So basically by doing that, we've turned a subtraction problem into an addition problem, just like the second example, and now we can add in the same way. 9 and 2 are going to be like terms, and 3 root 6 and negative 8 root 6 are also going to be like terms. 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 root 6 plus negative 8 root 6 is negative 5 root 6. And that is it. Our objective today was that we perform operations on radical expressions, and we focused on just adding and subtracting.